Hey there, it's Dr. Monahan from Monahan Dentistry and Implant Center. We are a full service dental office right here in Mesa, Arizona. Now, we get a lot of questions about dental costs, and cost is a big thing these days as far as affordability. So, I hope you'll spend the next couple minutes with me so I can answer all your questions about dental costs, affordability, and how you can better afford your dental care. So, the first question we get is, how do the prices at Monahan Dentistry and Implant Center compare to, say, other places in town? So I like to compare our prices here to other stores that you might be familiar with. We are definitely not the Walmart of dentistry. I like to compare us to the Costco, if Costco had a dental office. And I like to shop at Costco because it's a good price, but the value is tremendous. They always select the best products. So I'm a Costco fan, and I like to compare our prices with that. So we're not the cheapest in town by any means, nor are we the most expensive, but we like to offer a really good value for what you get here. The next question that we often get is, what procedures are standardized pricing? Well, everything here has what is called a fee schedule. A fee schedule is essentially our price list. So we've calculated our expenses as well as the time it takes to provide each service. So we have a set price on all of the procedures. But we also get a follow-up question to that is, how come some procedures the price varies based on what I'm used to? As an example, there are multiple kinds of fillings that a person can receive. Now, in dentistry, fillings are billed based on how many parts or surfaces of the tooth are going to be covered. So, as you can imagine, the smaller the filling, the cheaper it is. So a one surface filling is going to be the quickest and usually easiest filling to perform. So those are going to be a lower price compared to, say, a 3 or a 4 surface filling. So under the umbrella of fillings, each kind of filling may have a different price, but those are set on our fee schedule so that you can see upfront exactly what your filling is going to cost. Now, when it comes to affording your dental care, a lot of people are really concerned about their insurance and how much their insurance will cover. So people often ask, so at Monahan Dentistry, are you guys able to calculate how much my insurance will help pay for? And that is a difficult question to answer because there are just as many types of insurance plans as there are patients. But generally speaking, we're able to look up or verify your benefits right here on the spot. And if they're not in the computer, we can often put in a quick phone call to your insurance company to find out exactly what is covered. Now, keep in mind, insurances don't typically cover 100% of what you need, so we try to calculate as best as we can how much of a percentage of each procedure your insurance will cover. In the end, it is important to understand that the final payment is your responsibility, not the insurance company. Whenever we call an insurance company, there's a pre-recorded message, and it always says, just because we've verified benefits, it's not a guarantee of payment. And they're always quick to remind us about that. So keep in mind that you want to look at the final dollar amount. And even though we have a good estimate of your insurance, insurance has the final say as to what they'll pay. Now, you might be wondering, well, if my insurance doesn't cover everything, how can I afford the portion that my insurance won't cover? And that is where payment plans are super convenient. So my favorite plans that we offer are actually interest-free. You can have 6, 12, 18, or 24 months of interest-free payments. We work with several of the most popular payment plan companies to find you the best deal. One of my favorite things about those payment options is they don't have prepayment penalties. So you don't have to feel locked into a certain term. If you decide you want to pay it off early, you are free to do so without any additional charge or interest. Now, keep in mind that some of those payment plans do require a certain credit score or a certain credit history, but we can easily do what is called a soft credit check. People don't want to have their credit dinged just to find out if they qualify for a payment plan. So all of the companies we work with, they do what is called a soft credit check. So it'll look into your credit history without showing up on your credit report. Now, once you decide to go ahead with your treatment plan, that will show up on your credit, and you can actually build your credit by making payments as you go. So the last question that we commonly get is, do you offer cash discounts? And the answer is yes. For our patients that don't have insurance or our patients who want to take care of their payment upfront, we offer what is called a bookkeeping discount. That means that we save a lot of time and energy and hassle of sending out bills and invoices. We would just as soon communicate with you upfront the exact cost of your treatment, and as a reward for taking care of it upfront, we offer a discount. So definitely ask about any prepayment or bookkeeping discounts that could be available to you. Well, I hope I've been helpful at answering some of your questions about dental pricing. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. The number here is 480-764-2111. We actually offer free second opinions. So if you found out that you need a certain procedure done, come in so we can take a look and actually tell you exactly what it would cost to do it here in our office. Again, I'm Dr. Monahan, and I look forward to meeting you soon.